Absolutely love this Crescent 10-inch locking adjustable wrench. The dual material handle gives an amazing grip, super comfortable even during long jobs. The locking mechanism holds tight and saves me so much hassle when switching between bolt sizes. It feels solid and well-made, like a tool that'll last for years. Honestly, it's become my go-to wrench in the toolbox. Zenith Trim Puller is a game-changer for anyone tackling trim removal. Its wide, flat blade and 15-degree wedge design make it easy to separate baseboards and molding without damaging the wall or trim. The tool's durable steel construction and shock-absorbing handle provide comfort and longevity. Users have praised its efficiency, noting that it simplifies the process and reduces the need for additional tools. While some consider it a specialized tool, many find it invaluable for preserving trim during renovations. Overall, it's a worthwhile investment for both DIYers and professionals. Wall Control Metal Pegboard Organizer is a game-changer for garage organization. Its sturdy steel construction and powder-coated finish ensure durability and a sleek look. Installation is straightforward, and it holds tools securely without flexing. The included accessories, like bins and hooks, offer versatile storage options. It's a reliable solution that keeps everything in its place and easily accessible. Highly recommended for anyone looking to declutter their workspace. Meguiar's G3500 dual-action power system tool is a compact and user-friendly solution for car enthusiasts seeking efficient detailing. Attaching seamlessly to most standard drills, it transforms them into effective polishers, making tasks like waxing and polishing more manageable. Users appreciate its ability to remove light scratches and enhance gloss, especially in tight areas. However, some note that for larger vehicles, the 4-inch pad size may extend the time required for full coverage. Overall, it's a valuable tool for those looking to upgrade from manual methods without investing in a full-sized polisher. 5 PCS step drill bit set is a versatile and durable tool for various drilling needs. Crafted from high-speed steel and coated with titanium, these bits offer enhanced durability and reduced friction, making them suitable for drilling through metal, wood, and plastic. The set features an automatic center punch and a 118-degree X-shaped split tip, which aids in precise drilling and prevents walking. With the capability to drill up to 50 different hole sizes, this set eliminates the need for multiple drill bits. Saving time and effort, users have praised the set for its performance and the convenience of the included aluminum carrying case. However, some have noted that the bits may dull after extended use, particularly when drilling into harder materials like thick steel. DEWALT Carbon Fiber Stapler is a lightweight, durable tool designed for extended use. Its carbon fiber composite body reduces weight by 45%, minimizing user fatigue during prolonged tasks. The ergonomic design and vibration-absorbing grip enhance comfort and control. Users appreciate its compatibility with various staple brands and sizes, including T50 staples, ranging from 5/16 inch to 1/2 inch. However, some users have reported occasional jamming issues, particularly when not used on flat surfaces. Overall, it's a reliable choice for professionals and DIY enthusiasts seeking efficiency and ease of use. But Toka Cordless Car Buffer Polisher is a lightweight, beginner-friendly tool ideal for waxing and light polishing tasks. Its dual 12-volt batteries provide decent runtime, though some users report battery degradation over time. While it's excellent for applying waxes and sealants, it's not suitable for heavy paint correction due to limited power. Users appreciate its ergonomic design and ease of use, especially in tight spaces. However, some have experienced durability issues with the backing plate separating after extended use. Overall, it's a solid choice for DIY enthusiasts seeking a portable polisher for light-duty applications. DEWALT 20-volt Max 8 Pruning Chainsaw is a compact, lightweight tool ideal for trimming branches and small trees. Its brushless motor delivers impressive power, making clean cuts through limbs up to 8 inches thick with ease. Users appreciate its ergonomic design and the convenience of using existing DEWALT 20-volt batteries. However, some have reported minor oil leakage when stored, so it's advisable to store it upright or on a protective surface. Overall, it's a reliable and efficient tool for light to medium-duty pruning tasks. Preciso multi-surface laser level is a handy tool for DIY projects. Its 30-foot horizontal and vertical laser lines make aligning pictures and shelves straightforward. The included wall mount and accessories like pins and stickers aid in setup. Some users find mounting on textured walls requires extra effort. Overall, it's a budget-friendly option for home use. The Kreg KBC3BAS bench clamp with bench clamp base is a versatile clamping solution that brings portability and precision to your woodworking projects. Featuring Automax Auto Adjust technology, it seamlessly adapts to materials up to 3.5 inches thick, eliminating the need for manual adjustments. The durable cast aluminum base can be mounted to any work surface with 3/4 inch or 20mm bench dog holes, offering 360-degree clamping capability. Users appreciate its ergonomic padded grips and easy pressure regulation via a thumb screw, ensuring comfort during extended use. Whether you're assembling routing or sanding, this clamp provides reliable hold and flexibility. iCrimp is a solid manual pro press tool that delivers reliable results for copper fittings. Its interchangeable jaws for 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1-inch sizes make it versatile for various plumbing tasks. The 360-degree rotating head and extendable handles enhance usability, especially in tight spaces. Users appreciate its sturdy build and the convenience of leak-free connections without soldering. While some professionals prefer powered tools for heavy-duty jobs, this manual press offers excellent value for its price. Overall, it's a dependable choice for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals seeking a cost-effective solution. Stanley Max Steel Multi-Angle. Hobby Vise is a compact, versatile tool ideal for hobbyists and light-duty tasks. Its patented 360-degree rotating ball joint allows for infinite positioning, making it easy to access your work from any angle. The removable rubber jaw covers protect delicate surfaces, and the large C-clamp mount attaches securely to work surfaces up to 2 3/8 inches thick. Users appreciate its sturdy cast aluminum and steel construction, which offers durability without excessive weight. While it's not designed for heavy-duty applications, it's a reliable choice for various DIY projects. Kreg Portable Crosscut is a game-changer for DIYers and professionals alike. Its GripMax anti-slip surface ensures stability, while the retractable cutline indicators provide precise alignment for accurate cuts. Compatible with both left and right blade circular saws, it offers versatility across various projects. The saw support ledge enhances straightness, and the ergonomic grip adds comfort during use. Ideal for cutting materials up to 8 inches wide at 90 degrees and 45 degrees, this tool simplifies cross-cutting tasks. Users appreciate its portability and ease of setup, making it a valuable addition to any toolkit. Comfort Construction Positioning Safety Harness is a top-tier choice for professionals working at heights. Its 6,000-pound polyester webbing and robust nylon polyester hybrid comfort padding provide durability and comfort, while the reflective 3M Scotchlite panels enhance visibility. The harness features revolving torso buckles for easy adjustments, auto-locking quick connect leg and chest buckles, and an anti-sliding dorsal D-ring pad to reduce movement during use. Users appreciate the integrated EasyLink SRL adapter for swift personal SRL connections and the auto-resetting lanyard keepers for convenient snap hook and carabiner storage. While some users have noted minor oil leakage when stored, the overall consensus is that this harness offers exceptional safety and comfort for construction professionals. Conquer Tools Deburring External Chamfer Tool is a game-changer for anyone dealing with damaged bolts or threaded rods. Its premium tungsten blade slices through burrs, effortlessly restoring clean edges without the need for grinding or filing. The quick-release hex shank fits snugly into standard drills, making setup a breeze. Users appreciate its efficiency and the time it saves on projects, especially when working with various metals. While it's not intended for heavy-duty industrial use, for DIYers and professionals alike, it's a reliable addition to the toolbox. Overall, it's a compact, efficient tool that delivers on its promises.